Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm going to show to you a tutorial on how to use VN in Android. So if you guys is an Android user and you want to use the VN apps, you need to find it first on the Google Play Store and then install it on your phone. So you just need to find the VN editor in the Google Play Store and then click on install. But since I already install the apps, I can just open the apps. Okay, so here is the home page of the app. So if you want to make some edits, you can just click on the plus icon right here. But first you need to sign in into the apps. You can use your Google account or your email or other options. And if you want to start an edit, you can just click on the plus icon and you can just click on the new project, or you can just choose or use the templates provided by the VN, or you can also use the overlay right here provided by the VN and to make an edit right away. But if you want to edit from scratch, you can just click on new project and choose the video that you want to edit, for example this one right here, and then click on the arrow at the bottom, and here the video is inserted into the editing or the timeline. You can just make some edit in here. You can just explore yourself. You can add music, add subtitles, you can also add a sticker, your logo, or you can also add more than one videos, and you can also add some filter like here, or can adjust the speed. You can trim your video, and you can also add some effects right here, and you can also change the background of your video and extra. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how the basic on how to use the VN in Android. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.